Hey, what's going on, guys? Pete with Auto Repair Tips. In this video, we're doing a tool review. I was in need of a spring compressor tool for a strut. My snap-on one just broke, so I was shopping it around. Snap-on wanted anywhere from $200 to $400 for the one I was looking at. Went to Amazon, found one from a company called Orion Motor Tech, bought it, got it here, and used it, and you would be surprised at the performance. All right, guys, if you enjoy these tool reviews, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Also, in the description below, I have links to a lot of tools that I use. I'll also put a link to this tool that I just showed you. Anything you do purchase through those links, a small portion does go to help the channel, and I appreciate that. All right, let's get back to the video. There is one thing I want to mention. This company is not paying me, and they're not sponsoring this video. All right, guys, this is how it comes shipped to your front door in this foam packaging. Doesn't have a carrying case. If you're a guy that likes a carrying case, you're going to be out of luck because it's not going to come with one. But you don't need it anyway. It's so compact, just take out the 3 items and carry it to the car you're working on. If you look at the design of this tool, it's obvious. They took this tool and made this tool. Here are some of the specs on this thing. It's got an 11-inch range, a 2,200 pound capacity. It's heat treated number 45 steel, and it has a galvanized finish. And together they weigh about 9 pounds, separately about 4.5 pounds each. It definitely has a solid build to it. I've used this type of compression tool in the past. The type with just a threaded rods. I didn't like how that worked. To me, it's not very safe. I had a friend of mine who almost lost his finger using that type. I really like the design of this one here. It feels safe when you're using it. And it's real easy to use. Put the bottom jaw on first, then put the secure jaw on, and then tighten down the locking mechanism. I really like how they designed the locking mechanism. Alright, after you get the bottom jaws in place, just put the top jaw on and tighten up the threaded rod by hand just enough to snug it to hold it in place. And just repeat for the other side. Once you get those in place, there's a safety bracket you're going to put on. It's adjustable so it'll fit whatever size strut you're working on. And it's secured to each strut compression tool with an Allen head bolt. Once you have everything in place and it's all secure, just tighten up each threaded rod till the spring compresses, remove the bolt that holds the strut on, and remove the strut. It's as easy as that. I will tell you one thing, it's definitely a solid tool and I like the safety features. I would definitely use this whether it's in my home garage or my place of business. Alright guys, appreciate you watching. Catch you later.